In this video, you'll learn how to rename groups in your Notion workspace. This process will allow you to customize the names of groups to better reflect their purpose or content. Begin by navigating to the Notion website. Open your preferred web browser and enter the address notion.so in the address bar, then press enter. This action will take you to the Notion homepage. If you are not already signed in, you'll be prompted to do so. Enter your credentials and sign in to access your workspace. Once you are logged into your Notion workspace, locate your profile space. You can find this in the top left corner of the interface. Clicking on your profile space will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings to proceed to the Settings page. After accessing the Settings page, look for the Account option on the left sidebar. Click on Account to open the Account Management section. This is where you can manage various aspects of your Notion account and workspace. Next, find and click on the Workspace option within the account settings. This will take you to a page displaying details about your current workspace, including members and groups. To rename a group, you will need to select the People option from the sidebar. Clicking on People will show you a list of all members and groups within your workspace. Look for the specific group you want to rename in this list. Once you have located the group, click on the same People option again to ensure you are in the correct section. This may seem repetitive, but it is essential for accessing the group management features. From the list of groups, identify the group you wish to rename. Next, click on the three dots icon, often referred to as the More Options button, located next to the group name. This action will open a context menu with several options. In the context menu, find and select the rename option. This will prompt you to enter a new name for the group. Type the desired name into the text field that appears. Ensure that the new name accurately represents the group's purpose. After typing the new name, you will need to click on People again to finalize your changes. This step is necessary to save the new name and refresh the list of groups. Finally, to close the settings and return to your workspace, click on the Close button, typically represented by an X in the upper right corner of the window. This will take you back to your main Notion interface where you can see the updated group name reflected in the list. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.